Hi there! In this first video, we are start talking about the new GPencil Object. So the first thing you have to do is to add a new one. There are two ways to add a new object in Blender. Using the Add menu on the Viewport header menu or pressing Shift-A. Search for the GPencil Object in the list and you will find three options there. Blank to add an empty GPencil Object. Stroke to add a simple stroke that also has some basic colors and layers. And a 2D monkey, a drawing sample of our beloved Suzanne to play with. But what that means to be an object in Blender? There are several different object types in Blender to build your scenes. The most common ones are meshes to build 3D geometry, but there are also lights, cameras, armatures, and so on. GPencil is a new object type that allows you to work with 2D strokes on the Blender 3D environment. Every object type in Blender has several modes to edit or work on different aspects. GPencil Object, of course, has its own modes: Object, Edit, Sculpt, Draw, and Weight Paint mode. We see in details every single mode in the next videos. Each Blender object are composed from two parts, an object and the object data. The object is like the container that holds information about the position, rotation, and size of the element in the 3D space, and also other things like the relation with other objects or how it looks in the viewport. The object data is all the components that define the object. In the case of GPencil, the object data are their strokes, 2D layers, vertex groups, and properties. Every object in Blender is linked to an object data, and a single object data may be shared by many objects. The GPencil object has several components that define the object data. The main components are the strokes. These strokes are built with two or more connected points that define the line path. The look and feel of this line is defined by the brush you are using while drawing. Every stroke belongs to a layer. The 2D layer system works in a similar way like in other 2D painting software like Krita or GIMP. Finally, the materials define the color and texture of the strokes and fill. Multiple materials can be linked to the object and used by one or more strokes.